Jason Harley worked at this Rogers call center for 2 years before quitting last year. He says when sales reps help customers cancel services, they lose points towards commission.
It does drastically affect your actual income when people make a cancellation. That was brutal.
And led to sales tactics, he said, to avoid losing commission, like transferring a customer who wants to cancel their service or lower their bill to another agent, or claiming services have been canceled when they haven't.
It's more like what has the agent not done, because what they didn't do is hit that button that cancels the services.
This call center worker for Fido says she fears she'll lose her job if she's identified. She admits she puts customers who want to lower their plans on hold.
You say, I have to research something here and put them on hold. You're hoping they'll just hang up so you don't have to take the hit.
In a statement, Rogers, which owns Fido, wrote, "We take these concerns raised very seriously and we have no tolerance in our organization for unethical behavior." A call center employee who handled Bell customers and recently quit says he'd be financially penalized if he didn't lowball customers when it came to offering discounts.
I can give you a $5 discount on your TV. No? All right. Well, how about $10? No? How about $15, right? So you're going to want to, you start low and work your way up, right? They don't want you offering the highest amount to begin with.
In a statement, Bell wrote, "Discounts may vary based on factors such as the length of time the customer has been with us, the type of product, and so on."
I just can't believe a giant telecom behaves in that way.
This UBC business professor says telcos need to be careful about how incentive systems affect employee behavior.
My advice would be you need to change your incentive system, otherwise you're going to lose your employees and you're going to lose your customers.
And Erica joins us now. So Erica, help me understand something. If these ex-employees say they were penalized for lowering customers' plans and just for being the unfortunate one who happened to take the call at the time, how do the companies justify that?
You know, we asked Bell and Rogers about that. They declined our interview request, but in their written statements, they also don't address that question. You can see from their perspective, though, Andrew, why they would want to encourage employees to try to get customers to keep their services, because then it doesn't affect their bottom line.
So what then can people do to try to get better customer service from their providers?
Well, we spoke to a number of call center service reps, and they had some good tips. One of them being use live chat if your telecom service provider has that option, because then you can request a transcript be emailed to you. Call your provider during the day. Employees with the most experience tend to get the better shifts, so they earn better pay and they're less reliant on commission. Ask for help from a manager. They're often not penalized for reducing services. Always request an email after negotiating with a call center rep, because that way you can confirm that the email reflects your discussion. And lastly, make your own recording, because that way you have your own record of what was promised to you.
Right. Desperate times call for desperate measures, I suppose, is the way it goes these days sometimes.
Pretty interesting stuff.
Erica Johnson, thanks so much.
Thank you.